So, chapter 2. Today's day I will be installing the frame for the suspended ceiling. Organize the electric a bit, put everything in the boxes to look much nicer, sort out the CCTV camera cable. This one, I believe this is for the alarm. Yeah, we're not feeling disconnected. I might leave it, I might take it. And then, second job, if I got enough time, obviously it's a Sunday, so hopefully we're gonna get some out of this Sunday today anyway. We'll be installing the panels, which is gonna be a back for our shower. So I've got 5 of those panels, and they're going in all wet areas, I call it. So that's gonna be really damp, really wet areas. Obviously that's gonna be the back of the shower. Yeah, that's it. See you in a few hours. So, frame for the plasterboard ceiling is now in place. Now we just need to wait for the delivery of the plasterboard, which is going to be someday Tuesday, I think. That doesn't matter. So, because I've got a bit of a time today, what I'm going to do, I've got this wall, which is pretty much ready for to put some boards onto it. So I'm gonna install those ones in quick steps. I'm just gonna do this wall with you guys, so you can see how I've done it. Again, and obviously, of course, you can do it yourself. So yeah, just stay and have a look.
A few moments later.
So back again, we've got clean cold water, the glue for the boards. Boards are already outside. It's just not enough space for everything to be here. So I'm just gonna leave you here for a moment. Just do it a bit less for now, just to see how it goes. First. We've got this here. Now we need something to mix that up. So I think we just about in a 5 minutes fast. So give it another mix as the manufacturer suggests, and now what I need doing is So now it's placing the board. It's a lightweight, so it's not any, well, the weight will come, but obviously not yet. So I'm not going too deep. I can just check the level if there is. Ooh. So I'm missing that's better, but before I make full setup, I'm gonna put the second one in. That will give me a line where I want to be with my tiles after. So this one goes up to here, so I need to go, okay, now I can swap them over. Now this one goes in here. Maybe not. Take this away from me for a second. We do exactly the same. And now I need to put the silicone just at the edge here. I need to make them. The excess, obviously, you need to remove the excess. Not too much, but it's always some. That's our second board. Now we can start taking the the bottom is alright, but the top perfect. That's perfect. And looks like the bottom. That's alright, looks alright. So we've got 2 in. Now is the last one. I think that will be a little bit problematic for me if I'm gonna do this. So I need to clean the corner so there is no excess of anything. And yeah, that's gonna be the level. I'm 50% confident. That's not good, isn't it? Yeah, but this will be alright. Will be okay. So again, very similar. What we need to do, I'm gonna close the window. Obviously, see you tomorrow. I don't think so. I got enough glue. And also battery slide on the camera. So see you in 2 seconds.